Doom! What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. The Dan back in our lab, you know. And see what we are dealing with. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than the lab boss himself, Moyann. Oh, shit, I didn't realize that. The one named Memories. I check it out and see them I deal with. You don't know lab boss about artist. Moyann, you don't know Moyann is up and coming that. Well, up and coming. Moyann was long time, but Moyann, some of Moyann, if you get that big hit. But Moyann, bad female dancehall artist. Good to see this collab. I'm glad to see dancehall artists link up, especially male and female collabs. You see me? Yeah, we've been slightly lacking on that for the past couple of years in dancehall, but lately it's been coming back little by little. You see me? I say gang. Oh yeah, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�, Moyann, Memories. Let's get it. So before we even start, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Help me hold up my stress. Help me hold up my stress as a big man. Help me hold up my stress, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get it.
We play the memories sometimes, yeah. Come on. No sunshine. We play the memories sometimes.
Yeah, I'm tired of memories. Yeah, ja. Sometimes some memories can haunt you for real, man. You see me and say some things people wish they forget. Alright, let's get it.
R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone. Pain on me heart when me can't see your face or get a call. Love it to me heart, my youth, you fi know that. R.I.P. to a fallen soldier.
Yeah, man, R.I.P. to the fallen soldier, them, man. I really talk, man. Big up, hey.
R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone.
Yo. Real warrior, we just lose. Tell sneakers you give me more for shoes. Make enough tears run out that of you.
Easy now, man. Say you're a real warrior. Yes, man. You're good, tell sneakers that you give me for shoes. I don't know shoes we are talking about.
Shoes, make enough tears run out that of you. Place I forget one man's cup so can't this a killer. Your mama you fi choke up you never have.
Yes, I get warm down, bum buckler cup so can't this killer your mama you fi choke. Right?
So can't this killer your mama you fi choke up you never have fear fi bust move. Yeah, me chase my tears with the run smooth man.
Never have fear fi go bust move. How the bum buckler hey.
Chase my tears with the run smooth man. The smoke right run like this.
What I say? You know.
With the run smooth man.
I know what the blood clean.
And this a killer, your mama you fi choke up you never have fear fi bust move. Yeah, me chase my tears with the rum smooth man. The smoke right through.
Me chase my tears with the rum. But we come
like this chai, I mean I feel cool but burn the pan fire. Feel up in this before but from my brother gone the pain of this chai that. Still can't see a pan.
I feel happiness before, you know, man. That means I don't happy again. From brother gone that this child.
My brother gone the pain of this child. Still can't see a pie call up. I smoke till my lungs feel smaller. Gun salute now, I'm a dog.
R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone. Pain on me heart when me can't.
R.I.P. to the thugs, them, man. Real talk. Let's get it.
See your face or get a call. Love it to me heart, my youth, you fi know that.
Moyann have a nice voice, you know, man. You don't know what I go. Moyann need to find the hit them, man. You see me, I say, but Moyann, yo, girl look good too, you know, girl pretty. Hey, Moyann, bad. Hey, go on.
R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone. Pain me feel, my heart I grieve, me can't believe. But me know you have a place in a heaven. It's hard to eat, me can't sleep. That wound you deep, me think about you 24/7. All the while me see the good youths, them I die young, me heart I feel weak. Gone, but you never forgotten. Cheers to all the good memories. What's up?
Big up on themself, I really soldier them. Go on through.
Me heart I feel weak. But you never forgotten. Cheers to all the good memories. What's a blank for me G. R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone. Pain on me heart when me can't see your face or get a call. Love it to me heart, my youth, you fi know that.
Yes, man, go on through.
R.I.P. to a fallen soldier. We're gone.
R.I.P. You see me answer, gang? Yeah, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈����, Moyann. The one in your memories. One thing about the one, yeah. You see me answer? If you like your show, the artist, them so love and support, make you know, say, yo, the dancing. You see me answer? Yeah, man. Yo, the track there. Yeah, man. That's, what you say, a reminiscent track. You see me answer? R.I.P. to the fallen soldier, them. We're gone. You see me answer? Big up all of the real youths, them all, to everyone who lost somebody real, whether it's a friend, family member, you see me and say, you know what I'm saying, or a significant other, you don't know. Yeah, big up to them, you see me and say, dope track, man. You see me and say, you can play this at memorials, family reunions, all them stuff there. You see me and say, dope track, man. Big up to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�, Moyann. Young, let me know what you down in the comment section. If you like it, show the artist all over support. You don't know what time it is. Drop your comments, drop your requests. You don't know. Done. There you know. You see me? Be a banger spawn at the top. You see it? Don't talk too long. That's a 40. Hit the like button. I'm all of my stress. You don't know what time it is. Let's get it. I'm out.